So now let's see how we can work around with transparency tool inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with transparency tool, first of all, I'm going to go around and bring in a rectangle right here, just like this. So once I go around and add in a color, this is what I have. So now let me just go around and make another rectangle, let's say for example, and fill it out with a color. Right now you can see that the shape is opaque. That means you cannot see through it. But if I were to make it transparent, then I can start seeing through it. So to do that, I'm going to select this particular shape right here, and then I'm going to go around and click on this transparency tool and click on this particular shape, and then I get the transparency slider right here, which I can use to actually go around and change the transparency level right here. You can click and drag right here to have a gradient transparency right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can see that there's many different transparency options. For example, there's vector transparency right here, where you can go around and choose different type of vector transparency level right here, just like this. Click and drag it around, and this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here, then you can see the bitmap transparency level as well, and you can go around and click and drag, and you can choose the pattern that you like, and then what happens is that you get the bitmap transparency right here, just like this. You can also go for two color transparency right here, just like this, and then you can see that there's many sort of patterns that you can choose from, and then you can go and see the texture transparency just like this as well, and you can go around over here and choose the transparency level as you like, just like this. So apart from that, you can see that this is what you have right here, and you can go around and choose different options for the transparency right here, just like this as well, and get the effect that you want, just like this. Just go around and click and drag and choose the transparency as you like right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here, and you can see that this is the transparency that you have. So that is how you can go around, and let's just go around over here and disable this out. And then you can see the transparency being applied. So let's just go around onto regular transparency right here. You can change around the level of transparency around over here. And then you can, let's say for example, choose, let's say, whole transparency right here and so forth, just like this as well, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And let's just go around, go for different sort of transparency over here. You can see that there are many different options right here. Like there's the circular transparency, there's like another type of transparency right here, another type of transparency, and so forth as well, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the transparency tool to get different transparency as you like inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.